Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the system is current and that Python and pip are installed, because Jupyter depends on them. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment. This isolates packages and prevents conflicts. Then use pip to install Jupyter. Pip install Jupyter Lab or Notebook depending on preference. Make sure to check Python version and pip version so you know which interpreter you will run. This initial setup gets you to a reproducible environment before opening any notebooks. Next, install Jupyter Lab for a modern interface or the classic notebook. Pip handles both. Once installed, generate a config file so you can configure ports, IP, and security. If you'll access remotely, set a password with Jupyter server password and consider using no browser plus a specific port. Make sure to start the server from the project folder so kernels see local files, and verify the kernel matches your virtual environment to avoid package mismatches when executing. Finally, open the provided URL in your browser or use SSH port forwarding if working remotely. This connects you to the running server. Select the kernel tied to your virtual environment so imports resolve correctly, and restart the kernel after installing new packages. Save often and use checkpoints or export formats for reproducibility. If something breaks, check the terminal logs for traceback and kernel errors. Often a wrong Python path or missing package is the culprit. Adjust path or reinstall in the active venv.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.